Hey, good morning. Welcome to week 4. Just like we have been the last couple weeks, you're reading your next 2 chapters. They are here for you. And then you're doing the chapters 7 and 8 questions. Okay, so pretty straightforward, just like it's been the last couple weeks. There are a couple things in this chapter that are going to happen that I wanted you to pay attention to. First of all, Emily Brent, she's our character who thinks she's morally superior to everyone else, kind of thinks she's better than everyone else. She's going to finally talk about the murder that she was accused of by that voice recording. So pay attention to, does she take responsibility for it? Does she feel guilt about it or not? And how is that murder different than the other ones that the other characters were accused of? Okay, so pay attention to what happens with Emily Brent. Next, there's going to be an alliance formed with 3 of the men. Pay attention to, are these strong characters? Do you think this alliance is going to last? Do you think it's going to be a good thing that's going to help them out or not? So kind of pay attention to who's involved in this alliance and is it going to last, do you think? And then the last one is General MacArthur. He's going to kind of take a little bit of a downward turn. He's been mentally tough. He's been one of our stronger characters so far, and there's going to be a big shift in him in this section. So pay attention to kind of what causes that shift, what is the shift, and how do you think that's going to go? Okay, so pay attention to Emily Brent's confession, the alliance, and the shift in General MacArthur. Just like the last few weeks, the quiz will be posted on Thursday. So make sure you've gotten your reading done and the questions done so you are prepared to take that quiz on Thursday. Progress reports have been emailed out, so check your email. Make sure you are caught up on your grades, you don't have any missing work. And go ahead and get going on that reading for this week. I hope you're enjoying the book. The attendance word is November. So email me the word November if you were gone this morning for our meet. That way I'll know you've watched this lesson and I can give you attendance credit. So November. Have a great week 4. Email me as always if you have any questions.